Hey folks, Garrett here from mandalatea.com, sitting in the tea room here enjoying a little post-meal tea. I was thinking about a study that had been done in regard to tea drinking and oral health. It's one that I get pretty excited about. If you've been to one of my tea classes, you may have heard this story before whenever we get into the section where we talk about tea and health. Well, in regard to oral hygiene, here's something to do. When you get done with a meal, simply rinse your mouth out with a good tea afterwards. Now, the study that I'm going to talk about was done using green tea, but I proffer that if you use other styles of tea, green, white, yellow, oolong, black, or pu'er, you're going to get similar effects, being that it's all from the same plant, Camellia sinensis or Camellia assamica. They did the study in which they took two groups of people and they put them on an identical diet for 4 days. Group A brushed and flossed after every meal, and Group B did not brush or floss the entire time, but they did rinse their mouth out with green tea following each meal. Now, what's groovy here is that at the end of those 4 days, they took swabs of the mouth and found that the group that had only swished their mouth with green tea afterwards had significantly fewer plaque-causing germs in their mouth than the group that had brushed and flossed after every meal. I'm not saying don't brush and floss. As a matter of fact, I'm saying use tea to augment your good dental hygiene with brushing and flossing. So by this, I mean that a lot of times, if we get to it within a half an hour after a meal, if we brush our teeth or rinse our mouth out with green tea, we can stop that acid attack on the teeth. We can also rinse away particles in the mouth and set things up for a healthier oral atmosphere. Anyway, just think about this. You also have the antibacterial nature of tea, which is helping to rinse away some of those germs that are in the mouth. So I think it's a pretty significant finding. Now the Mongolians, the Tibetans, they've known this for thousands of years, but I just think give it a try. Bring your tea thermos along with you when you're out to eat. Not everybody's going to be able to whip their toothbrush out within 30 minutes after eating, so give the tea a try. I think it's worth checking out. Works for me. All right. Well, hey, I'm going to sit here, consume the rest of this tea. I am really glad you stopped in. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your business and your friendship here at Mandala Tea. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you.